All right, so now we're on to part 3. We're going to be solving with the variable on both sides today. Same exact steps of solving, it's just now the variable would be on both sides. So, notice that when we were talking about this last time, you need to get the variable on one side. Just so you know, I'm always going to try and move it to the left just to stay consistent. And then you want to distribute and add like terms if necessary and solve from there. Okay? All right, let's take a look at this. So on this one, my first step is to get all my x's together. So I want to move this, I want to move all my x's to the left. So I'm going to add x to both sides. And the property that says I can add to both sides, so this was step 1, is my addition property of equality. Okay? So then I would have 2x minus 7 equals 13. Now I'm down to my normal stuff, so now I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So then this is 2x. This goes to 0 because negative 7 plus 7 is 0. Then we've got 13 plus 7, which is 20. And this was my step 2. Is my, again, we added to both sides, so it's the addition property of equality. Okay, then from here, I'm just going to divide both sides by 2 to get the 2 to go away, because it's 2 times x. I want to undo times. I divide, which is my division property of equality that says I can do this to both sides. And I end up with x equals 10. All right, hopefully that's going pretty well. We're going to do one more of these together, and then I'm going to have you guys do one on your own. Now, notice I've got parentheses, so I'm going to have to distribute to make those parentheses go away. So I'm going to take this 3 and distribute it through. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then I've got 1/4 times 32, which is 8x. Then 1/4 times 56 is 4 goes into 5 once, 4 goes into 16 4 times. 14. You can use a calculator to do that. So in my calculator, I would do 56 times, and then in parentheses, I would do 1 divided by 4, and I get 14. So I did that right. Okay, so this was my distribution property. Okay, then my second step, I'm going to get all my x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract 8x on the right so I can have all my x's on the left. So 9 minus 8 is 1x, and then the minus 12 remains the same. This 8x minus 8x goes to 0, and then I'm only left with a 14 on this side. All right, so now, so this was my, I subtracted, so this is my subtraction property of equality. Okay, and then I'm going to add 12 to both sides. And 1x, I don't really have to write that 1. You can if you want to. I'm just going to write x. Negative 12 plus 12 goes to 0. And 14 plus 12 goes to 26. Okay, and my last step, so this was my third step in this case, was to add to both sides. So I used my addition property of equality. All right, hopefully you guys are doing good with this. I want you to go ahead and try this problem, then this problem, then this problem, and this problem. As always, the answer slides are in the slides following. And then go ahead and write your summary, and you are done for the day.